Hello, in this brief tutorial I will tell you how to compile a simple Solidity file into the TVC format supported by Ton Virtual Machine. I will be using Ton Labs Node Startup Edition that has two built-in compilers. Before starting this video, I installed Ton Labs Node SE according to the official documentation, and I met all the necessary prerequisites also covered there. Note that I am using a Ubuntu environment. Without further ado, let's start. Here is my source folder. It only contains a single file. It is my Solidity source file. It is pretty simple and I only use it as a sample. Now let's go to the terminal. First we have to navigate to the project folder. I was very creative when I named it. Now I have to call one of the commands of Ton Labs tool that comes with Ton Labs Node SE. Note that I am using the file name without the extension. Here we are. Now let's go to the folder and we see two more files. One is the ABI file and the second is the TVC file that you can now use for your applications. Let's look at it. It is not very pretty for a human, but machines seem to love the format very much. Thank you. That's it for now.